Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
And then Oga showed up. Say what you said when you were playing the video. I did not say anything that I cannot say in their front. All I just want to ask, Omotola, how old were you when you married this man? Matthew, don't look at me. How old were you? How old were you? Answer. Give him microphone, let him answer. Was I old? Matthew! She's old enough, she can speak for herself. How old were you when they married you? Speak, my friend. Matthew, bad guy. Bad guy. Bad guy. Catch them young. You are lucky that Twitter was not in existence that period. Yeah. And you know the funniest part of it? Omotola just called me one day. TA, what's up? I'm getting married. I said, hey, correct. And I want you to be the MC. I said, sure, no problem. I said, but I said, where's the venue? Is it a hotel? Is it? He said, no, it's in the air. He said, you are who? He said, it's in the air now. You know, Ahmad is a pilot. So we're going to do it in the plane. The only thing on my mind as he was speaking was plane crash, plane crash, plane crash. You will not believe that this woman and this guy, they forced me, put me on the plane to MC their wedding reception in the air. Throughout the 45 minutes, no, it wasn't even 45. 1 hour. Throughout the 1 hour we were in the air, my spirit was with God. As a typical Yoruba, my spirit was with God. And the funniest part of it, what now was that, you know, pilots, they have all sorts of creatures as pilots. Matthew is a good one. Then I did not know that one of his friends, who is a co-pilot, Matthew, should I tell you? No, skip that one too. I should skip that one. Oh boy, no be smart thing. Now after wedding, Omotola dey ask me, say, Tia, what's up? Somebody has been asking of you. I say, who? He said, you remember that Matthew's co-pilot? I said, Alpha. Say, it's like he really likes you. I said, hey, does he have show for me? Others said, no, it's not that kind of like. He's splitting the feet. He's splitting the feet. Let's go.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.